Hi there. So we're back onto enzyme station number 4. This is about lactose intolerance. So what we're going to do in this particular station is we're going to see how well somebody that is lactose intolerant would be able to handle different types of milk that they might drink. In this first test tube, this is just regular plain old milk, okay, whole milk. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to test to see whether or not any of this has broken down in order to form glucose. Glucose is one of the two monosaccharides that goes into making the sugar lactose as a disaccharide. So I'm going to once again be using these glucose test strips, and we'll be looking to see if there's a color change from turquoise to brownish to indicate the presence of glucose. So let's check it out. So dunking into plain old milk, and we can see we still have the same blue color that we did originally. Now, let's test this second tube right here. This tube has had lactase added to it. So we're going to go ahead and dunk that in there. Splash that all around. And pull that back. And then our last sample is going to be of lactate milk. So this is milk that you can buy. Lactate is a brand name that you can buy at the grocery store. So I'll grab a new test strip for that, and let's dunk it into the lactate milk and see what we get for results there. And we'll set that tube aside and let's take a look. So in our second tube, the strip that we had pulled back, you'll notice is no longer that bluish color that we saw with the regular milk. You can see that it is definitely browning up there. So this strip right here, the one that's browning, right? That was the one with the regular milk and lactase added. And we can also compare that to our other strip that I set aside, and that was the lactate milk. So here was regular milk, plain milk, and this was the lactate milk. So use those observations to help you answer the questions for station number 4.